model, 2010 Ford Ranger Xlt 4x4 Tdci. Excellent runner. Spares or repairs needs a clutch. Body, blue, chassis cab. Mileage, 204,199. MOT, the 26th of June 2025. Engine, 2499 cc 2.5 Tdci EU4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. This Ranger will require a new clutch to be back in working condition. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, aircon, cruise Contron, electric windows, alloy wheels, tow bar. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.